Scatterplots show us types of relationships between different types of data. If as x increases, our y increases in our data, it's said to have direct relationship or positive correlation. If as x increases, y is decreasing, we are said to have an inverse relationship or a negative correlation. And if we do not have a relationship, we do not have any correlation. We could say no or none. Here we have a scatter plot. We have 22 students, and on the bottom is how long they studied in minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and so forth. And then here on the y-axis, we have their grade. And we have the various 22 students on how well they did. Now, if I look at the scatter plot, I can see that I have a direct relationship. The more time they studied, the higher their grade was. Now, if you're ever asked to do a line of best fit, here you have your data. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to draw a line where it is the closest distance from all of these points. And you'd want to grab a ruler, and you're trying to sketch a line that maybe goes through as many points as possible, but is as close to as many points too. So we're going to draw this line here. Pretty good line of best fit. As you see, the distance from all of these points are generally in the same relationship. So this is my line of best fit. And if I'm asked to find an equation, well, first off, we know we write our equation from the b. So on the y-axis, I look where it intersected. So we notice too that these are going by 15 units. So it's a little bit above 15. So let's say my b here is at 18. So I'm going to put my y-intercept for this line of best fit as 18. I'm going to try to find 2 points that I could use for my slope. So maybe I want to use, let's see, this point looks good. I can make one on that line of best fit. And right here is a good approximation. So this ordered pair, the x was 20, the y is 60. Up here, we have 35, 90. And I'm going to find my slope here. So slope is the change in y over the change of x. So 90 minus 60 over 35 minus 20. 90 minus 60 is 30. 35 minus 20 is 15. So my slope here is 2. And then to write my line of best fit would be y equals mx plus b. So here I have y equals 2x plus 18, where x is the minutes studying for the test, and y is the grade received. So if I didn't study at all for this test, 0 minutes, I would possibly get around an 18 on this test. So without studying, I'm scoring very low. And then for every minute I study, so think if I studied 1 minute, I then would get a 20. 2 plus 18 is 20. So that's what my line of best fit is telling me. For every 2 minutes, or for every minute I study, I will get 2 more points added to my grade. So for example, let's take someone who studied 15 minutes. 15 times 2 is 30, so they should project to get a 48 on this spelling test.